Hey, hi. In this video, we are going to tell ChatGPT to convert a PDF document. I have a PDF here. We're going to tell it to convert it to Word document and see if this is possible. I'm using a free version of ChatGPT to do this. Okay, so let's try it out right away. So let me go to my ChatGPT here. I'm going to first upload the document before I tell it to convert it to Word document. So let me click on this plus. Let me click on upload photos and files. And let me actually go to where my folder is. I think it's here. Okay. So I'm going to upload this website content. It's a PDF. We're going to see if ChatGPT can convert it to Word document without actually wasting any time. So I'm going to write something like convert attached PDF document to Word document. Okay, so we're going to just say that. So let me try to execute that. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, I'm using a free version for ChatGPT. So it's going to tell me your PDF has been successfully converted to a Word document. You can download it here. So let me try to click on it. Okay, something has actually been downloaded. So let me try to open it here, show in the folder. Then let me try to open it. Okay, it's kind of cool. So you can easily convert PDF to Word document, though actually the words are not well organized, but I think you can really try to arrange this. Okay, though it's a lot of work. I think it depends on how PDF is formatted. Okay, mine is actually has some images, I have some tables. I think that's why actually it didn't come out. So to get a good version of I think the Word version from it depends on actually how the PDF is formatted. Okay, so this is what I managed to get. Okay, and let me know how it works for your PDF version. Okay, see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe. I usually do video uploads about ChatGPT and other interesting stuff about how to make money online. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.